Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating a Ross container evacuation system. It's for the small 4-quart unit. You'll see the plunger right here in the center, of course. It's hydraulically operated right here. We're operating on 220 single phase voltage. It's all manual. You must keep the lever depressed while you operate. That's a safety feature. It'll stop if you do release the lever suddenly. On our website we'll have all the dimensions, stroke, voltage, amperage, anything else that might be needed. The container would mount right in there between those two fixtures you see right there. That's the end of the stroke. Same thing applies. You must hold it in the up position until it completely retracts. Very nice table mounted on a heavy duty painted steel table with, of course, stainless steel mountings for your change can and your mixer. We have all types of process and packaging equipment in our inventory, including Ross mixers. We also have the one to fit this unit as well. You'll find that under our mixers planetary section on the website, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Hope you have a chance to visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.